Hi everyone. This video, make it for myself. I'm gonna try to set up OpenGL so I can remember. In the future, if I forget, I can always go back to my video and I can always set up OpenGL. So I'm gonna use GLW. I think that's what it is. GLFW. I think we're gonna use that as the library. Let's go to the home directory. I forgot how to install. I think that should be, let me check. It should be under, let's just go to there. It should be here under include folder. Let's grab GLFW. So there is none, so I don't think I installed it yet. Yeah, this is what I have. Do I have SDL? Not sure. This is one of the OpenGL library. I think this is the old one. No, there's a new one right here. GLS 3 extension. I keep forgetting what the extension stands for. Extended, I think. Extended GLES extended. It's for embedded system. Sorry, not extended. That's Wrangler for embedded system. Okay. Let me see the package. Ubuntu or Debian. Debian GLFW package def. Let me see. Let me look at the name because I don't remember the name of the package here. I can use it always here. Download. Should I compile this from the source? I think I can compile from the source if I want to. Let's go back to my directory. I can compile from the source. Make sure I have CMake. I think we have CMake here. Let's go to latest Mac OS, Windows, and source. Let's go from not that one. Let me just remove this. Wait. Remove. We'll get the tar. We'll get the GZ file, the zip file. See, download. So let's unzip it. Unzip. W. Let's move this to. I just move to app. It's not really an app, but that's what I have. I just make it more organized. So. Okay, we're gonna extract it. Tar VXF verbose extract and file. I think that's what it is. Okay, let's see where they're using. Oh, CMake sudo. Make sure we have CMake. It's not install. Let's install that. Let me read what are the dependency. Let me see the dependency. It's from Mac OS. Dependency right here. I need only CMake 316 later header following Windows. So I'm not sure what the dependency are. It should list it here, compiling. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use GCC or CLang. I have CLang. Yeah, I have CLang. Which one is better? I normally use GCC. I have both. Where are the dependency? Okay, I don't know what the dependency, but we'll just use option. Let's read it. They don't use config or makefile anymore, so using CMake. Okay. I have linmat. I do have that. Okay. Let's do this source. All right. I forgot to run CMake. Okay. Make the build directory. Yes. Okay. Let's just do tiling real quick here. Help me. Nope, I don't want to do this. Okay, let's do I'll just put build. Okay. Now am I on here? Oh. I haven't installed the tree yet. Okay, I'm good in the directory. So CMake and let me see, what does it say on the readme here? Does it say compiling? Primarily in C99, okay. Mac OS. Use GCC, okay, I got that. Okay. I want to build there. Okay. There you go. Let's see, compiler. Oh, I have compiler detected. Cursor found. Okay. Okay, that's making sure that's how to build it. Okay. I kind of forgot how to use CMake. I haven't done it in a long time. So now let's build it. Alright, so let's build it from the source. Build target window, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Default. So if I do make, that will be my home. That's my build directory. After that, how do installing it at the there you go. It is installed. Oh, it doesn't get installed. I think it's installed. I think that's it. Now where's the lib? I need the lib. I need the static library. So CMake. Okay. Why there's another CMake here? Okay. There we go. I'm trying to get this make install. So I guess need permission. So first, after you compile the source, now we need to create the linker, which is static. I mean, we need to create a library, which is the static library here. We're gonna make, which is run the make file, which is the script. That's what it does. It will run this make file here, and now we're going to make install, so we can have it install under the local library here, local lib, this SO that we need to have. So we need a root. We're gonna make install. It should run it, and it installed it there. That's what we have. So now we should have the library here under the user. So I just list it here. user lib, oh not lib, include, and we're gonna grab GLFW. GL? No, let's put GL. Is it local? Oh, they put it local, so it's fine. So local, under local, it should be, yeah. So it is there, which is good. So now, what I can do is I can go to this website here. Let's go back here. Let's look at the example file. Do I need GLAD? I think I need some documentation. We can run the sample code. Yeah, let's run the sample code here. Make sure we are able to create a window, I think. Make sure the window, we're able to do it. So, let's organize, OpenGL project, okay. We're gonna say test OpenGL. So I'm gonna test this. Okay, let's insert we're gonna run GCC L. We're gonna link it. We're gonna link that GLFW. Hold on, I kind of forget what it is. Let's see if I can bring another window here. No. Where is the other window I have? Huh. Yeah. Actually, I have it here. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's see. Local, I think I'll put it under lib here. Okay. So it has to be lib GLFW. I guess I have to use the whole name here. Where does it install earlier? Okay, yeah. So I need to use that name. Lib GLFW3. Okay, I think that will do. Yeah, can't find it. Hold on, let me see. That's the name. Lib L linking lib GLFW3.a. Okay, that's strange. Is there any? It should be x86. Okay. GL. Hold on. It's not running. It's not running correctly here. Linker error. Cannot find lib static library. Okay. It should be yeah. Oh, maybe I should do that. Maybe that will do. GLFW3. Okay, let's see what is the code here. You know what? I did not have the include folder. Let's do that. Local include, and we're gonna have link. Library. No. What is the name of the file here? OpenGL. I want to test this real quick. No. Local. Make sure I have that. Yep. GL. Yep. Okay, I need the correct library. LIBGLFW3. Oh, that's it. We'll rename it to lib use this, or rename it to that. Note link to this, use that. Huh. Okay. I guess they want me to use that. That A. Okay, let's see. Main function. Ah, is that C++? Yep, it shouldn't be. This is C line. Same family. G++, we can use G++ compiler. And undefined GL clear. Okay. Let's see how to compile GLFW example. Cool. Okay. Oh, I need GL. You know what? Forget that. And also I need a math library. Is that what I need to? Math library? No, I don't need math library. There you go. I'm missing the GL here. The GL linker. That's what causing the problem. So forget the GL linker. So now we should have it. The main here. Let's see, main. Hello world. That's how this is it. So it's working. Oh, come on. Why is that? Not good. Okay. So we got the basic done. How about drawing triangle? I think setting up the triangle. I think there's an example. Is that an example? I just remove. I installed it in the local. Let's see, example. I have math library. I need linmat. Linmat. I don't think I have linmat library. Where is linmat.h on Linux? Just to be safe, I just download from this guy. I think he's the one that has it. Linmat right here. Yep. I'm gonna copy this math library that he created. Have this math library. So I'm gonna copy this library, linmat. Oh, let's use the other terminal. Oh no. Make sure I'm in local, yes. I'm gonna go to include. I'm gonna put it here. We just create that file. In that using root sudo inmat.h. Yep. Okay, what else? Did I forget to include? Oh man, I think I forgot to include the and if. Well, ooh, don't have enough. Oh, missing some portion here. I'm not sure which one I'm missing. So from else norm. Okay, I'm missing this part here. That doesn't look good. Okay, make sure I don't miss anything. I think that's good. Right, quit. Right. Great. You know what? Copy. Where is that? Copy. I forgot. I need to sudo vim image. Now I can add it. Now I can write it. Okay. Let's see. We need glad. Oh great, we need glad. So glad. GLFW. Where's the glad at? There we go. OpenGL. I think glad OpenGL should be right here. So glad OpenGL. We wanted the C++. Yeah, GL. We want the version. That's fine. Let's get rid of this version. I think that's it. Generate. Get the zip. Let's go to download. Unzip. Up. I have to include. Let's move that. Move this. I think I need both. Sudo. Move this. Let's move that to user local include. Make sure we'll move that there. Yep. Great. Forgot that. Download. So we remove the include folder, which we don't need anymore. What's in the source? Glad C. You know what? Let's move sudo. Let's move glad C, the same library. We might need it to compile it. User include. Yep. Okay. Remove directory. Good. So now let's go compile this here. What does it do? Radius. Draw ball. What does this program does? Distance between object. Amiga. This is demonstrating prototype Amiga. Codename Lorraine. Bouncing ball. Okay. It's bouncing ball animation so fast. Okay, let's see. I should have Mad Library. I should have this. I have LinMat. I have glad, which is good. Okay, I do have that. Wow, gosh, can't type right now. Let's see. I don't want to compile all of them. Do they need all of this? Do they need all of this to compile, or it's this by itself? You know what? Let me double check here in a second. Do I need to compile this with something else? Cross product. Yeah, I think I need to roll. That's the clear. This is the display. Yeah, this is where you display. That's drawing. Where's the rendering? Right here. That's reshape. That's for the callback function. Where's the rendering at? So I think there's a render. No. GL close. Okay, this is main loop here. Okay, right here, reshape this, put 3 buffer, just swap buffer. Here we go. I think swap buffer is the way they render it. Swap buffer will be the one. So OpenGL run on GLFW swap buffer. I think that's what it is. Let's get that GLFW. I kind of forget what it is, so we need to look at the reference here. Come on, context. What you have right here? Swap the front and back buffer to specify. I think this is where you render it. Here you have to swap this. Let's read it. This function swap the back buffer of specified window. Interval is greater than 0. GPU therefore waits specific number of screen. This is swap the buffer. So where does it render? Let's see. How GLFW render function. There you go. Double buffering system to render. That's right. Or one buffer. That's what it is. GL buffer swap. This function swap, making the render context visible. So that's how they render it. It's a little bit different than SDL. So I think I don't need anything else. Keyframe. We should be bouncing. Okay. Let's just say that's C. So I'm gonna put GCC. Okay. Oh, Boeing. Okay. Let's see. I don't remember how. What is the library again? So let's see. Include user. Include. And then we're gonna find a link where the link library is. User, no, not user include, actually local lib. So we have L and then lib glfw3 dot, is that dot a or something, and we're gonna link it with the GL library. Oh, glad is not there. I thought glad was there. Come on. I thought I included there. Yeah, glad is there. This says local, user local include glad. Glad is glad. Yeah, glad.h. Come on. Oh. That's not right. Include user local. Is that right? Local include user local lib. Come on. Oh, I don't have GL. Looking for GL here. Come on. I think this is a very old library, so maybe I can just change this. This is probably the old library. The old library they use GL. The new library they use glad.h. So hopefully this will work. Having that issue too last time. I don't have that glad. It's supposed to be empty. Let me see what the function now. They changed. So the library has been changed since 2 years ago, I believe. So there's some changes to the library. So too many arguments. GL, yes. Trying to find GLFW reference. GLAD load GL. I wish there is more way to find this stuff, you know. No. GLAD load GL. Where is this? Yeah. It is not good. That's not good. Let me call Olama. Let's run Llama 3.1. Let's just ask AI. What is the maybe it knows where to locate it. It's easier to find the library here with AI. So I couldn't find it. Where is the reference for GLAD load GL functions for GLFW 3? Oh, where's reference? Okay. Sorry. Glad. Yes. So where's the glad? I'm not looking for that. Oh, I guess it's glad. The reference GLAD load GL. Okay. Is this the right one? Let me see where GL glad. OpenGL should be right here. Okay, where is the oh, nope, they don't have that. Okay. GL glad GL. So where this is at GitHub. I think this is right here. I don't know if it's the same guy. There's a different contributor. That's good. Load. Okay, let's see if they have that function here. GLAD load GL. You know what? I have the file. Let's go and look at the file. Let's see if they have the API there. Let's see if they have that function there. Oh wait, where's the C file? Where's my C file? Oops. Glad, where did I? Oh crap, where did I? Did I put it here? God, let's see. I do have KHR. So glad here. is glad. Oh, put it here. That's bad. Sudo move. We need to move it. Sudo user local include. We don't want it to be here. We want to be on the local. Local include. Okay. GL load. You know what? GL. Nope. I'll just put load. If define gh header already included in this, glad already provided, and if glad version. Oh, here, glad. It's void, so empty. It's supposed to be empty. Let's go. You know what? Let's go to NeoVim. Hopefully you can find it stuff. Okay, where's this at? Glad. No tag file found. Let's just make sure I'm on the normal mode. Let's yank it. Okay. Let me see if I can yank that and then can I paste it here? Nah. GLAD. Okay, load GL, void, right there. Should just load this. No, declare here, void. Okay. Let's put load. Okay. Just to be safe, let's just comment it out. I thought is that like 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wish. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 indentation. I only used 3 indentation. Oh well. That's alright. So I'll say glad GL empty. Shouldn't put anything on there. Okay. I had that issue last time to compile this. There's a glad vertex. So this is the linker error. So you're not define metric push. Oh, you know what? Did I put? Is that mat library? You know what? I forgot the mat library. Okay. Create function, color GL. Okay, add different reference to GL load. It is very interesting. I'll include it there. Add different reference to this. You know what? I need to compile the C. I'm going to compile it too. I'll compile out. Glad C. Ooh, no such file in directory. You know what? Forgot to include the whole thing there. I want to compile that. User local include. Yeah, let's compile that too. There you go. It compiled that. So let's see. There you go. So it worked. So the linker error, when you happen to have a linker error, make sure you bring the glad.c file. Make sure you have that, because you need the object file in order for the compiler or the linker to have that object to be linked with the to glue together with all the static library. So it has to have the lib GLFW, and then you need to have the GL library, you have the mat library, and you need to compile this. Let's see, unless we can make it as the static library and we can just link it to, but I haven't taken a look at it yet. So this is it. So that's how you run OpenGL. So yeah, thank you for watching.